Hello guys, my name is Jaramillo and today I'll be talking about the human body. The human body is the entire structure of a human being. The human body is made out of several parts like bones, muscles, organs, blood, and many other parts. The body is divided into three parts: head, trunk, and limbs. Your head has the brain. The brain controls all of the parts of the human body, which is like a computer that manages all of the apps. Your head also has your eyes, which is what you use to see and observe, ears to hear everything around you, mouth to communicate and eat, and nose, which is what you use to smell and breathe. Now we're going to the trunk. Your trunk has the esophagus, liver, lungs, heart, stomach, kidneys, large intestine, and small intestine. Most of these work together to process the food, except the lungs and the heart. Your lungs are used for breathing, so that when you absorb air, it comes out as oxygen. Your heart is the little guy inside your body that pumps blood through your veins. Well, that's it for the trunk. Finally, we're gonna talk about our limbs. Your limbs are divided into two parts: your arms and your legs. Your arm has your brachioradialis, your deltoid, tricep, bicep, wrist and fingers flexors, wrist and fingers extensors. Your leg has your pelvis, hip joint, patella, tibia, fibula, torsals, metatarsals, and your phalanges. Now we're going to be talking about blood and its cells. The red blood cell survives on an average only 120 days. Red cells contain a special protein which helps carrying oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body and then returns as carbon dioxide from the body to the lungs so it can be exhaled. Blood also carries proteins and cell fragments called platelets that let blood clot where there has been an injury. Now that I covered up most things about the blood, we're going to be talking about our skeleton. Our skeleton has 206 bones. Babies usually have 300 bones, but as they grow up, their bones start sticking together, which they now have 206. There are 26 bones in the human foot. The human hand, including the wrist, contains 54 bones. The femur is the longest and strongest bone of the human skeleton. Well, I covered most things about the human body. So, all there's left to say is have a great day, and what else? Good